guys, so karon na video padulong ta sa Hongping cable car. So padulong namin sa subway na panaog namin. So tara, let's go, banta. Na ako sa exit B sa Tongchun Station. So padulong namin sa Hongping 360. Wala makita ng cable car, guys. So, medyo taas-taas ang linya, guys. Magulat kami. So kita-kits later pag makasakay namin sa cable car. So another pila na po, guys. Nana namin sa taas na part sa station.
Get to get 3%. Let's here for 1 child, 2 adults for the Crystal round trip. Using the same ticket for return, so please keep it back on your set. Please back on your way to throw to start that taking the Crystal for the round trip. And your package, you see put here for free voucher for the video.
By herself, have solo shot. Solo shot. Like yay! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Say hey.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Just sit long at the floor. Not the floor.
Just look at them.
Quiet. 这个还好，海洋公园的特别
flying.
快。海洋公园它就是一个座位，然后只有一个杆子挡着，它没有这个。没有窗。然后下面。
Look at them. Uh-oh.
Naan sa amin guys, look, hindi siya
Me? Because I am.
Dagat ang ubos. Sa likod. Abot namin guys sa bigas na terminal sa 218.
Buy it now.
It's 218.